I'm Harry Dave and welcome to my bike check. Steering mechanism. First we've got Edwin grips, perfect on the hands for gloveless freestyle riding, perfect. I've got the regular and switch hub guards on the front. I've got the generic pegs off a kid's bike. They're useful for all the grind tricks that I want to do, especially in the competitive environments. Next up we've got 14mm axles on the front that prevent bending, especially when I'm doing my toothpick whips. Also, very importantly, is the 48 spoke wheel. A lot of people have switched down to 36 recently, but 36s aren't strong for me. I need to keep the 48s and I need to keep the spokes tight. Yo, what's up? This is the bottom back bracket area of my bike. First up are the original Primo Tenderizer pedals from the 90s. They're thick and they're big footed and they're what I need. Next up we've got the Sputnik cranks. Shout out to Alpha BMX for the deal on those. They're solid, strong, and they kiss up to a Madeira bottom bracket. It's all I need to do the cranking at top speeds. Possibly as important as the front wheel is the rear wheel. You're not going to go out anywhere without one of these. This is my rear wheel. We've got, not sure which hub, I'm not sure which rim, but what I do know is it's right for flares. There's a little bit of cosmetic damage, it's going to happen, especially when you ride all the time like me. These are the hub guards. You can see they're well used hub guards from all the grinding that I do. You know, prevents damage to the main hub flange. Together with the front pegs, I've also got back pegs ×2. Again, off a generic child's bike. They seem to do the trick, so I'm happy with those. Strong, reliable, heavy. Animal cush seat. Going on 4, maybe 5 years old now. Perfect. Soft, reliable. Got one of those. Strength. So that was my bike check. I'm sorry a lot of these parts are prototype. Some are limited edition. You might see them in the shops soon. Keep a lookout for those.